I'm going to dive into Prime Link's dashboard and show you exactly how to set up channels, delete them, edit them, whatever you need to do. If you don't know what Prime Link is, hit that link down below and get involved right now. If you stay to the end of the video, I've got a discount code for you that's going to get you 20% off, but you need to wait until we get to the end of the video. So guys, let's rock and roll. So guys, once you're inside of the dashboard, okay, with Prime Link, here's what it's going to look like. If you've got the upgraded package like I do, you've got dashboard, bio pages, QR codes, statistics, channels, and that's what we're going to be talking about today, okay? We're not going to go into the link management today. We're going to talk about just the channel. So like I said in the introduction, I'm going to show you exactly how to set some up, how you can use the insights of these. So here's what you got to do. On the right-hand side, you've got create a channel. Let's hit that together. The name, we're going to put George's Barbecue Day. Okay, this is the channel. I'm just making it up. We are having a barbecue on George's birthday, okay? Now that's the description that you want to put in for the channel. With the badge color, you can choose any. You can actually make this custom and you can put in your own custom code if you know it, okay? So let's go for pink, okay? Let's choose this. Star channel, if you want this to be your main channel for a good sidebar navigation, and then click create. What this has now done is created George's Barbecue channel. So if you want to view this, click view channel. Of course, we haven't actually put anything in yet. Then you want to go into editing it. If you want to change it, you can, okay? And you can update that. Let's go back. Now, these three dots on the right-hand side is where you can edit it and delete it. As you're going through the insights, this channel will be your main channel as I've got it starred, okay? So that's really cool. If you want to delete a channel, simply hit the delete button. Okay, that's now deleted it and we're back to 0. Now, one thing I want to show you is if you go around here, okay, you'll see it has 0 items. So you need to add items into your channels as you're going along, okay? Now guys, that's something you'll get more used to as you're going through all the different features in Prime Link, but for channels specifically, that's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that part of it. Now what I want to do is show you that if you have not paid for this tool yet, you are missing out by a long shot, okay? Let me show you something really cool right now, because the pricing is fantastic. And guys, not only that, we actually have a special deal for you today. So if you want to start for free and just test it out with a few short links and a few of the features, you actually can't go into all the channels and things like I just shown you, but that's the free package just to test it out. But if you want the lifetime basic, it's $59 one-time payment. If you want the lifetime pro, it's $99 one-time payment. Not only that, you get every single thing that I've spoken about on this whole channel of videos. So go through them all, every single thing unlimited. And I've got a special gift for you. Watch this. When I click upgrade and I type in the promo code, okay, let me type this in, T for top, D for digital, P for products, 20, you're going to get a promo code of 20%, and that's going to save you a total of $19.80. So you're getting this for $79.20. That's incredible. Hit that link down below right now. There you go, guys. TDP20, that's top digital products, 20 will get you that 20% off. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, hit the link down below to get involved, and I'll see you next time.